Hi everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing video with Monogram TV. Today we will be unboxing the Disney Princess Carrier World Series 64 3D Foam Bag Clips collection. This collection is available for purchase at hottopic.com and boxlunch.com. So here's a close-up of what the blind bag looks like, and all of the characters we can collect in the bag. This PDQ comes with 24 mystery blind bags to open and a total of 11 characters to collect. And to save time, I will be opening all the bags off camera, but we will be pulling out the characters together. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's see who our first pull is. We have Belle. Belle is a princess who looks like she just walked out of the West Wing and found the enchanted rose. She is so graceful, smart, kind, and totally fearless when it matters the most. We have Moana. You can see here she has her paddle in hand. She's always ready to embark on her next adventure or mission. And she is so fearless, the woman who restored the heart of Te Fiti. She had no prince, just pure courage and support from her loved ones. We have Tiana. She is not just a princess, she's more like a boss. She's the woman who turned a dream and a recipe into an entire restaurant. Her pose really captures that kind of determination and grit she has. She is so elegant and truly the princess who earned her crown. We have Pocahontas. She is a definition of peaceful power. Her story is all about following your heart and standing up for what you believe in, even when it's not easy. The wind and her connection to nature is truly unmatched, and she is so strong and powerful. We have Snow White, the princess that truly started it all, the original Disney princess. Her look is so classic. She's always stunning in a bright dress, red bow, and soft expression. She's just all pink in this series. She is truly so sweet, kind, and stronger than most people give her credit for. We have Ariel as a mermaid. She is so iconic. She's the classic Disney magic with the purple shell top and green tail in her movies. She was the first princess who felt a little rebellious, and I think she is such an icon in changing the scope of Disney princesses. She's ready to swim up to the surface and change her whole world. We have another Snow White. I love how glimmery and sheer kind of surface this pink gives off. All of them are kind of this sheen, sparkly. I don't know if you can tell, but it's so pretty. We have another Ariel as Little Mermaid. Love the pink color. It's so pretty and gives such a Disney princess feel. We have another Tiana. We have our Chase A, Cinderella. Her transformation scene is the moment. She twirls into her destiny, and she really just has that magical glow. She really teaches us that it's not about finding a prince, it's about finding freedom and joy and looking iconic while doing it. We have another Moana. We have Jasmine. She was a game changer. She wasn't here to be anyone's prize. She is super confident and independent, and she can show you the world while she's flying the carpet herself. She is truly such an empowered princess, and I love the girl boss energy she emulates. We have another Tiana. We have Ariel in her gown, in her transformation gown, the moment where she finally walks on land and everything changes. She is so curious and excited, and her whole story is about going after what sparks your soul, even if it's crazy and scary, but it's worth it. We have another Jasmine. We have another Moana. We have another Snow White. We have Mulan, one of the most iconic warriors in Disney history. She literally saved all of China and broke every expectation in the process. She is super fierce, even though she may look calm on the outside, and she already has a plan in the works. We have our Chase B, Rapunzel. Rapunzel with her mirror is such a fun, cute touch. She's all about creativity, curiosity, and not let anyone dim your shine. Whether she's painting the tower walls or swinging from rooftops with a frying pan, her story is all about finding yourself and running with it. We have another Pocahontas. We have another Mulan. Another Ariel in her gown. We have another Belle. And last but not least, we have another Ariel in her gown. And let's do a quick recap of all the characters we collected today, including the ones in the back. As you can see here, these are all 11 characters that you can collect in this series. We have 3 of Belle, 3 of Moana, 3 of Snow White, 3 of Ariel in gown, 2 of Pocahontas, 2 of Tiana, 2 of Ariel as mermaid, 2 of Mulan, 2 of Jasmine, 1 of Chase A, Cinderella, and 1 of Chase B, Rapunzel. Again, this collection is available for purchase at boxlunch.com and hottopic.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow our social media down below so you don't miss another unboxing video with Monogram TV. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next, and until next time, bye!